photos of devices made by the Trace Center. Text appears, the Trace Archives.
Hello, my name is Dr. Bern, and I am the Director of the Trace Rehabilitation and Engineering Research Center. In this video, I'm going to show the beginning instructions and practice screens of one of Trace's old prototypes, a voting system.
A touchscreen framed by wide black borders with tactile controls for zoom, volume, help, back and next page, and end.
Please insert your card into the slot. The slot is on the right side of the case between the volume control dial and the lower right corner. Insert the card so that the hole in the card sticks out the side of the case.
Hand inserts card into slot on the right side.
Card accepted. Press the next page button to continue. You can learn about the buttons on this book.
Hand presses the next button.
So, we have an informational page here that tells you how to use the buttons.
Features to help with seeing or reading. Use the zoom button to make text larger. Or use the headphones to listen. Or use both. If you need help at any time, you can press the help button.
We were intending the help button to give context-sensitive help about the screen the voter is on.
How to cast a vote. There are two ways to mark or erase your choice. By touching the button by the name on screen, as is being shown now in the animated on-screen demonstration.
Animated hand taps a choice.
Or by using the roller or the buttons below the screen to move to, and then mark or erase your choice.
There is a roller and arrows under a cover on the prototype itself, but I will discuss that in another video.
To find a name you want on the ballot, use the roller or the down and up arrow buttons to move down or back up through the choices. To mark your choice, or to erase the mark on a choice, press the rounded mark erase button. When you are ready, press next page to continue. Practice page 1 of 2. Try marking a name. Select the planet Mercury from the list below. Then continue to the next page.
So we have a quick practice session. Here we want to mark Mercury.
Hand taps a choice.
Marked.
Mercury.
Has been marked on your ballot. Practice page 2 of 2. Now try changing a vote. Erase the mark for the planet Jupiter. Then mark Neptune.
It will not let me move ahead without doing the exercise.
Hand presses the next button.
You have not finished the practice exercise. Please press the page back button to practice page 2 of 2. Erased. The mark.
Also won't let me make the wrong choice and continue.
You have marked the wrong name in the practice exercise. Please press the page back button to return. Practice page 2 of 2. Now erase. Marked.
Hand taps the incorrect choice to unmark it, then taps the correct choice to mark it.
Neptune.
Ballot instructions page. Start of official ballot. Your town USA municipal election, May 1st, 2002. Use the next page and page back. Ballot page 1 of 6.
This video focused on the practice screen we created for the Trace voting system. A practice screen may not be necessary for every voting system, but we decided to add one here to ensure people knew how to operate it. Check out our overview video to learn more about the entire system.
Trace RERC, www.trace.umd.edu. The Trace RERC is funded by the Administration for Community Living. NIDILRR Grant 90REGE0024.